guys, Tito here, and today we are looking at birds, a bird camera. So these are live cameras I found, so I really wanted to look at them. These are bird feeders. Now let's see them live. Oops. Yeah? Okay, you guys watch the birdies, okay? I'll be right back. Guys, I'm back. How was the birdies? Did any of them come? Oh, come on. It was on pause. Coming! Guys, hold on. I'm going to do my words, guys, so hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. So, let's see the birdies. None birdie? None of them? Okay. Let's go to another birdie cam. You know, I love these birdies. Let's see these birdies. No, this isn't live. Let's go see another birdie. These all are on YouTube. Look at these birdies. Look, a birdie. A birdie. It's a birdie. I like the birdies. Birdies are actually cute. Hold on a second, guys. Hold on. Ow.